Nessa Sunshine here, and we are going to get into this eye look today with the Born to Run palette. It wasn't exactly what I expected, so you might see that in the video. But if you want to see the Born to Run palette in action first, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics blending brush, I believe it's number 12, into still shot with that brush, taking it all over the eyelid, starting in swiper motion above the crease. It's just a matte peachy shade. I did use this palette yesterday to create a more artistic look, I guess you might want to call it. I don't know what you want to call it. I don't know what I want to call it. The deeper shades that I wanted to use were not working to deepen up the look how I wanted, but the other shades were working just fine and building up that peachy matte color up and around this crease area. Add that color to this side, and then we're going to get into the next couple colors. Now that we have still shot on both of the eyelids, we shall go into the next color. Are you ready to see? I don't know if you can even predict it, actually. It is quite predictable. This is called Stranded. It's a gold. It's a basic gold. I love gold eyeshadow. Shimmery gold eyeshadow. I love it. It's so predictable. I'm going to use the Anastasia A10 brush. With Stranded, I'm going to start to pat that on the inner corner of the eyelid. Patting, swiping, and blending. Moving forward to the middle center of the crease or the eyelid, the mobile eyelid. Make it touch the still shot matte shadow. Start to bring it past the middle of the eyelid. This purple shade here is the next color we're going to. It's called Guilt Trip. Building that color there. Blend it down here. Move that shimmer shade with my brush a little bit as well. Add with my finger. This part I'm gonna clean up, so don't worry. Don't you worry. Taking Hellride with that same brush. It's just a matte shade. I think it will help that purple shade in that outer corner. I'm just gonna pack it on top of it in the outer corner just to help it to deal with life better. Clean up that side, and then I get a nice wing. It's not turning out how I wanted. Take Hellride a little bit further. This is a more precise blending brush. It's the A25 Anastasia brush. Blend it up here. Yeah, I think that will help me create a little extra definition that I wasn't able to with that purple. Blending it into this sort of winging shape. Taking a Morphe, this is their fluffiest brush, and Stranded with some spray. Add that, some more vibrancy. Defining with my A25 brush and Hellride. I'm gonna blend this up. Adding more of Hellride with the Anastasia A10 brush. Just trying to work and fix this mess up. I guess it looks okay, but it's not what I planned. I'm gonna take the Anastasia A14 brush and Breakaway. That into the inner corner. So comment down below if you want me to try something else with this, or if you don't think it's worth it, then let me know. I like the concept of it, so I'm kind of like meh about it so far. I want to love it, but I'm just not. And I used all these brushes because the shadow that I wanted to use wasn't what I expected. And you know what? That could have been just me and not knowing that that just wouldn't have worked the way I wanted it to. But anyway, let's get all the face stuff together for this look, and I'll come back and I'll finish the lower lash line. So let's go from these into this. So here we have quite a change, right? So we're gonna get into the lower lash line. Hellride and then still shot. And this is the A1 Anastasia brush to press it here. This is a Morphe-like brush. It's kind of tapered into still shot. Start to blend that area. Taking a little bit of Hellride onto that and blending down. And some more of still shot. Take the Anastasia A14, mix Stranded and Breakaway together. Spray. Add that here. Adding the Benefit Their Real Mascara. This is the finished eye look with the Born to Run palette. I don't know how I feel yet. I don't know if I like it, if I dislike it. I think it's because there's parts that I like and there's parts that I don't like. And that's why I'm feeling kind of like, I don't know. If you made it this far, go ahead and comment down below. Sunset. And follow me on Instagram at @NessaSunshine_ and of course subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Bye now.